Welcome back again to another video, and this time around I am taking you with me to my makeup haul in Cogon.
Hi, Miss Maria Filingera. Bantong familiar.
Hello there y'all, this is Maria Filingera and welcome again to another video. By the way, to all those who subscribe to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe na mo. Thank you in advance po. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing up today, because I'm going somewhere for a special challenge for this vlog. By the way, I'm feeling under the weather today because of my sinusitis and all those cough and colds. So I'm just being very rugged. But really, I'm going to Cogon. Yan, sa Cogon because this is a thrift makeup item challenge. So I am going to Cogon because there's one store there na gingon sa ko'y akaw. Na very affordable kayo ang grabe ang rala. No, very affordable kayo ang mga makeup items. So later on, ako ipakita sa inyo. So if you're wondering where I am right now, I am just in our tindahan fronting our house where you can see fire extinguishers and all those fire and safety equipment. Yes, because my mom sells for that. But right now, I'm going to... Wait. Mag-withdraw pa dek. Okay, 40 na lang akong kwarta. So, I have just withdrawn. So, naka-withdraw na akong money and we're heading to the place which I am referring to and which my cousin also refers to me na place where you can find very affordable makeup items. And by the way guys, it's my first time doing it. It's my first time going out alone padalo sa Cogon because wala na ko ninanghid and all. More si kuya rin kabalo. Kaya kabalo kuya nga mato Cogon alone. Unsa yung mayngon niya? Unsa yung mayngon sa Cogon?
Okay lang naman Cogon.
Ha?
Okay lang ang Cogon. Maraming tao. So, yeah, it's me being a strong, independent woman. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with Cogon. It's just that so many people. But the goal is, dapat kompleto patanan ni mong gamit paggawas ni mo na store. Except sa imong kwarta nga mabawasan. Well, anyway, let's just see kung kamusta ang place ito and if still there. Wala gid ko ever ka-update if napa ba itong place. Because as far as I can remember, parang last year pa ko nakabisita. And I'm just so excited. So, keep on watching! Of course, this wouldn't be complete without experiencing the busy streets of Cagayan de Oro. We are approaching the Cogon area. Yan, ma-feel na nimo kay ubay-ubay na ang mga establishments. Ayan. There. Grab. Beke nemen, grab. Here are Cogon. So since we are now at the area sa Cogon, all we got to do is to locate that store nga with the affordable makeup items. Okay. Pero feel na ako dito banda sa ano. Sa street na dito siya banda. Here. Ayan na. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Okay. Kato. Kana. Here. This one. There. Dire kining first store. Yeah, so it's finally at my back, guys. Kinang store there. So, before that, magbayad sa atin, kuya. Okay, I'm gonna go down now. Thanks, kuya.
Bye-bye.
So, here, guys. Alright, everyone. So, I finally found the place, and it's such a haven. So, actually, more than the makeup items, napod sila for the hair, mga makeup kits and all.
Definitely all the makeup lovers out there will get drooling over these cosmetic items, which actually comes with a very affordable price.
Hi, Miss Maria Filingera. Bantog familiar.
Samo kayo ka. Bitaw, so actually recommend this akong itaagaw nga place kaya di naman siya gaano. So anyway, I'm in search for brushes and mga palettes. And more than what you can see here, napod sila right at this area, mga ring lights, mga makeup tables, and for all your hair stuff. And it's just very, very an affordable price. And aside from all those makeup items, from brushes to palettes, and here they have their Kylie. Tapos sila yung mga makeup kits. Very cute! So they have those with florals and ay mga animal prints, and it's just so very, very cute. Surprisingly, na this sila headset there eh. Sabi, guys, this sila headset, guys. Narao, headset. Hindi ay, parang siya kung magpa-color kag hair, diba? Ear cover, ala, kakaingon. And plano po na ako mag-buy of mirror, so they have this big mirror, arte kaayo. Ito na i-check sa clearer version. Cute, guys. I think gonna buy this. Sad. And what else? Naku siya, klase-klase na sulay. So at this area, mga hair essentials. Hair colors. Brushes. As in, so far, makalula kayo, dagan kayo mga makeup items. So right now, I'm checking this brush. Ayan. So pwede po na siya, no? Pila na siya? 450. Sige po po tayo, diba? Anyway, so dagan dito siya section. So there's for the eyeshadows, for your face, for blush, for your lips, it's in everywhere, and it's just really, really affordable. And right now, ako nag-finalize ko sa ginagawa ko. Baliton right here. Hi! Say hi to my vlog. Hi! Wow, pinakagwapo. Kinsa gini ang uyab dire. Wala. Wala yung uyab dire. Okay, so mati na ko. Sige, go. Thank you. Bye. So I'm done with here, so I'm gonna go now and I'm going to show you
Just when you thought you have a great time filming, but this happens.
Jay! Hello! Jay! Hello guys! This is you, Jay! Oh! Jay!
Welcome back again! I have
finally arrived home, safe, fresh from Cogon. Okay, so we are moving on to the things that I bought kanina. Are you guys excited? Okay, so first off would be this mirror. As in like mirror. R-E-R siya, mirror. Okay, so tada! I'm just so happy for this because I have been looking for so long sa perfect mirror for me. Although I have a vanity mirror, pero like itong mirror nga you want kung mag-slip and ka, and then you will put for your night routines, diba? So it's like you can carry this around, and also if ever you have brackets, you can just put it in your big bags, or if you have makeup brackets, ganun. So it's just so easy to bring. It's so handy. And I have searched for mirrors few weeks back sa mga favorite na mga Korean stores na to in the mall, but it's so expensive, and I think this is just the time nga I found a perfect mirror for me. So and this is about 120 pesos lang. Diba? It's as big as my face. So perfect na good siya. Big mirror for a big face. So 120 pesos. Ganun. And more is, of course, the Bobbi Brown brush. The 24 Bobbi Brown brush. So, yun. You see it? Yan. From your tiniest thing that you put in your face to the biggest brush. I don't think if it's this complete, pero I guess this is too much for me already. 185 pesos. And by the way, as I've searched it over the internet, so it's roughly around $50 or more or less, but roughly around, ilan ba, 2.5 or 2,000 plus. So this one is only for 485 pesos. And the next one is this Kylie Jenner One Open Palette. Yan. So it comes with the shades na mga medyo light and something fresh. I don't know what edition is this, but I guess this is a special edition. And you know what? Kylie cosmetics are very, very expensive. I mean, well, for me, mahal na gid siya because ilikid ko mahilig og makeup, and for me, it's really an investment. Pero, as I've searched it over the internet, it's roughly around $40 and all, but so it cost more than 1,000. So, here, they're very colorful, very hip. So, comes also with a mirror, ganon. And the funny part here, it's only for 280 pesos. 280 pesos, ladies and gentlemen. The Kylie Jenner one open palette, ganon. And another makeup essentials that I bought are these three. So nalingaw gid kayo ko ani, they have the same price lang. Each of these is only 65 pesos. Imagine that. With 65 pesos, you can get this 3 colors highlighter. Ayan, with earth colors. Okay. And this one also, the Organic Wear Matte Color Lift Blusher. What I like about this is it will give you the parang fresh, sun-kissed na aura sa imong cheeks. So, perfect po siya. I'm excited to wear this actually. And I bought also this the highlight, blush, bronzer, contour powder para may extra sa face mo. To give you an extra light with this one. I've actually have tried this to put it here, and it's very vibrant when you put it on your skin, and I'm so excited to wear this one soon at my events. I'll let you know. And the last 2 palettes that I bought, which comes, okay, ito muna, si All About Nudes. Si All About Nudes Fashion Color by True Lover. It's an eyeshadow cream palette. And actually, contentin ako with Kylie open palette. One open palette, pero what I like about this one, it's because of the glitters. Look at that. It comes with the glitter eyeshadows, which maybe I can use one of the events this months, this season, yun. So, it's only 180 or 120. I think 120 pesos. I know, 180. Okay, 185 na. 180 pesos. Yan. So, and what I love about this, humutke siya. Very fresh. And the last one palette is this 15 color face palette by Dudu Girl. And so this. Actually, may ligid kong mga earth colors. I don't know why. I'm not an expert, but I just love it to put it on my face. It comes with 15. Yeah, of course, ang alang na 15 colors. So, malamang 15 siya. So, 15 color face palette. Ayan. And this one's 180 pesos lang. Amazing. Diba? So, I guess yun. That's it. Wala na sundang eco bag. So, that was my makeup essentials that I bought kanina. And you know what? I'm really happy of the things that I bought because it only cost me roughly around 1,200 plus. Yeah, and so many items na gid kayo siya. I've got this one. I've got wait. I've got this. Alright, so that was it. Those were the things that I bought earlier at the makeup shop. Maybe on my next video, I can show you how I put it on my face and how it looks like. But for now, yun lang talaga. And if you guys have a video suggestion for me to try on or what, just feel free to drop it down in the comment section. I'm just so happy of things. I have no regrets of buying those because I know it's very essential for now. Because it's the season of rockets, of hosting, so it's time to make ourselves beautiful, and those were just the perfect things to do it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch up tayo on my next one. Bye!